Want to download an invoice from Hostinger? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with others. Open your browser and go to hostinger.com. Once logged in, head to the Billing section. From the menu panel, select Payment History. Here, you'll see a list of all transactions made through Hostinger. Click on any transaction to open its payment details page. Scroll down to the bottom right corner, where you'll find the Download Invoice button. Click on it, and the invoice will be downloaded instantly through your browser. To open your invoice, simply double-click the downloaded file, and it will open as a PDF. That's it. Your invoice is ready. And now, if you want to save money on Hostinger, use my affiliate link in the description for an exclusive discount on Hostinger. That's how you can download an invoice from Hostinger. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.